Welcome to Eurodreams YouTube channel, dear Eurodreamers. Today we are going to cover a very important topic. A topic that might resonate with some of y'all's future aspirations as well. So we will be talking about studying MBBS in Italy. So first of all, Italy is one of the countries that provides you a medicine and surgery degree in no cost or very minimal cost at all, that too with the best available resources. So your journey to pursue an MBBS degree from Italy starts with 5 steps. The first step, naturally, is the admission step. Now, many of you ask what is the basic requirement to pursue an MBBS degree in Italy? So you just need 75+% in your 12th grade. Some students often get admission with 70% as well if they have a decent profile. To secure an admission, you just need basic documents such as your academic documents, and if you're a 12th pursuing student, you can use a bona fide mark sheet instead of your original mark sheet. Apart from that, we just need your basic documents like a statement of purpose, your CV, your recommendation letters, medium of instruction certificate, and your passport. With all these documents and our expert profile evaluation, we present you with some top Italian public universities that provide an English taught MBBS degree and apply for you in the same. Now, unlike other degree courses, MBBS courses open a little late in Italian universities, and this is the right time to apply for the same. The application for MBBS degree courses continue from February till late September, even October sometimes. So after completing your application process, a university takes around 45 days to take a decision on your application, and touch wood, most of our students often get an acceptance only. So once you get your acceptance letter, comes the second step of your studying MBBS in Italy admission process. The second step, just like other degree courses, is the pre-enrollment step. Now, through the portal of Italian Ministry of University and Research's portal, you pre-enroll with your university online using some basic documents. Now, if you're a bona fide student or you're a pursuing student, pre-enrollment is the step where you will be required to attach your original 12th mark sheet. And we provide complete assistance with your pre-enrollment as well. Once your pre-enrollment is done, comes the most essential step of pursuing a medicine and surgery degree from Italy, the third step, which is taking your IMAT exam. Now, IMAT stands for International Medical Admission Test. It's a myth that the exam is pretty tough, but we have seen many of our students doing really well in the exam. There is no minimum marks required to get an admission, but it's more like a cutoff situation where you have to score better than other students to get into your preferred university. Let us know in the comments section if you would want to know in detail about IMAT as well. Now, once you take the IMAT test and your score is out, based on your score, your university either finally accepts your application or rejects it. Once your application is accepted and you receive your pre-enrollment summary after getting done with the entire IMAT situation, comes the scholarship step. Now, this is one such important step which differentiates Italy from any other country that provides a degree in medicine and surgery. You get 100% scholarship for MBBS also. Your entire tuition fee will be waived off, or most of it will be waived off, and your tuition fee will be negligible. And in addition to that, you get accommodation assistance, you get a stipend just like any other degree courses. Finally, after securing that valuable scholarship comes the visa step. Now, the visa process is just the same for any degree course. So for MBBS also, you just have to gather all those documents, arrange for the required funds, and go to the VFS office to apply for that visa. Now, we also provide complete assistance with the visa process and all your documentation. So dear students, this is the entire process of studying MBBS in Italy. Your first step was the admission step, second pre-enrollment, third taking the IMAT exam, fourth your scholarship process, and fifth the visa process. We would like to inform you all that we assist with all these steps, even preparing your documentation and providing you proper counseling to choose the ideal university. And now, that is by the end of February, is the best time to register for your MBBS degree program. So contact us today. The details are mentioned in the description section. And for a free on-call counseling, drop a call on the numbers mentioned in the description. See you soon. Fly high, Eurodreamers.